I wanted to do this ride since a long time. So yeah guys, it's 5:45 in the morning now, and we are heading out to Dhanushkodi, and we'll be leaving right now. From here it is around 18 kilometers, and we'll have to go over there. Yeah, so at the security post we had a very good chat with the security guy, and we told him we have come from a very far distance. We went to Kanyakumari, and we have come to Rameshwaram now. So right now, as you can see here, the moon is still here and he hasn't set. Man, the road is brand new. They have laid out just recently. It's been a very good ride so far. Since a long time, I wanted to come to this place, but I wasn't finding time for it. But this time, when my subscriber, now I am really a good friend with him now. You know, we both just wanted to meet near our house just for a photo. You know, that is what he always wanted. That dude, I want to take a photo with you, man. It's great that there is a motovlogger from Bangalore. And I always used to tell him, bro, I'm busy with my office, and if you spot me, we can definitely take a pic. But now we have ended up here in one of my dream rides with him, right? So he met me in 7,000 subscribers meetup, and here we are. So that is the point of a subscriber meetup for me. Is that a van down there? Oh my god. See that? The van is in the water. Damn. So yeah, that is shares for you guys. So as you can see here, everything is ruined now. The old church, man, I wanted to see this in person, you know. Wow, everything is in ruins. Only one wall is standing. So this place is completely being reconstructed so that it will be open for visitors and they won't have any issue. So that's why the roads are that good. Wow, man. Thug life, dog. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. If you are in South India, please make sure to come to this place. I'll share my route plan and everything. You know, please come to this place. It's such a beauty. You cannot experience this anywhere else in India, right? I see fishing boats over here. People are already working here. The wind blast is too high. Wow, seeing ocean on both the sides. Amazing, people. This is why it's called Incredible India, man. It's unbelievable that we have a place like this, you know. I cannot see anything on the horizon anywhere on both the sides. It's complete oceans and this road for us to enjoy. See, if you come in a bike, people will definitely let you go depending on how you talk. If you come in a car, they are not letting you go because at the checkpost they are stopping you people. So these are all the cars of the officers who are here. Well, we made it. Damn. And me and my other friends were actually planning this ride since September last year, but because of other commitments, other work and everything got cancelled, and we had to do this ride actually in December. But the few people who actually planned this with me couldn't make it to the ride. But then I had told Shreyas in January that, dude, we have to do this ride, are you in or not? So he said, if I can trust you on applying the leaves for in my company, he said he would be in. Then he did some extra work in the company to get some extra leaves so that he can be on this ride. And as I had promised him, we are in the ride now. Damn, it was really good. Yep, he's a fantastic rider. I've learned a lot from him. I'm still a noob and I'm still learning, you know. He has done many such rides already, and this is kind of cute for him, I guess. Is it? Was it cute? Yeah, so he has some major plans in the future, if you know what I mean, and I hope to join him in that, you know. We'll see what happens there. So for now, let's enjoy the view here. I'll take a lot of photos and include that in the video. And my wish was to ride my Mojo in Dhanushkodi, and that has come true, right? So I'm very, very happy. Wow, man. Beautiful. The sound of the sea and this sunrise, they are the perfect combo, you know. That fisherman is coming into the shot at the right time. Wow, this is so natural, dude. Okay, so now we are going back to the hotel. More than 95% of the roads in Tamil Nadu, when it comes to highways or tourist spot, is so beautiful and great that our bikes are happy with them, man. Like, even we are happy, right? We are not struggling anywhere. We are maintaining a very high triple digit speed in cruising, right? Wow. It's like the road has been newly laid, like every day, right? It's that gorgeous. Whichever bike you come in here at, you will love it. Even if you come in a Navi or a Honda Activa, you'll be like, wow, it is so good, right? It's so beautiful. And imagine us with power cruisers like this, how much enjoyment we would be having. So I would urge to each and every one of you, you know, to make some time, make a week's time, come to this place, enjoy Tamil Nadu roads, enjoy the views around, and enjoy the view at Dhanushkodi for a sunrise, go to the Kanyakumari for a sunset. So that cannot be beaten by any other place, I'll give you that.